like first album. I'm probably not gonna get it because I didn't like I didn't like all the inclusions in it. Like I didn't like the weird little phone thing, but I didn't realize like how big it was. Like that's a vinyl. It's the same size as it, so that's crazy. But I am going to, oh gosh, it's bad. But I am going to get the oh my gosh, the NMYX expergo. So exciting. As you saw in the last clip, I think, well, it depends on how I edit it. As you saw in the last clip, I got the NMYX expergo. I don't know. Expergo, Amore version, I think, or I don't know. The like flowerish concept, Target exclusive. Their new album, I love it. I like NMYX. It's just I can't buy their albums anywhere, and like I don't want to buy like a super overpriced one. So I was really excited when I saw that Target had their own exclusive version. And like I don't like to order like pre-order like Target versions because I don't know if I like the concept, I guess. Like which concept I like better. And then end up like ordering one I don't like. Okay, so it's like a tearaway tab. Oh, well, okay. So it comes with a CD. I think this CD is so pretty. It's like a rainbow. It's definitely going like on my wall, like where I put like my pretty CDs. So it's going up there. And it has like the case of it. It's like a floppy disk, I guess. I don't know. The lyrics. And a thick paper clip. So I'm gonna connect the dots shape. I think that's what it is. Then a really big poster. Whoa. Yeah. That's pretty. I'm scared to open photo books because that's where the photo cards are. So. Jiwoo, oh, I forgot to say who I wanted. I want Jiwoo. She's my bias. Jiwoo or Haewon. Those two are my favorite. This concept is so pretty, like the tattoos. Beautiful. And I love Lily's pink hair. Well, I love anything pink. So. I also love Bae's light brown hair. Like that's what I want my hair color to be. Oh, whoa. Oh, this one's fun. The like rainbowish concept. It's like watercolors. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of Bae's hat. It's like Little Red Riding Hood. Time for the photo. I already saw this one because I can read her signature, but it's Lily. I'm so excited for this because I love her pink hairs. Her pink hair in it. It's so cute. I'm excited. I can't read the signature. So, who is it? Lily and Haewon. Let's go. I'm so excited. I don't know which one is the Target exclusive. I think this one is the Lily. So I'm really happy with these. Really happy with my pulls. There were like 3 on the shelf and I was like, which one has them? which one has Lily and which one has Haewon or Jiwoo. So I did good. I just hate how it looks. Does the whole top come off? It does. That's weird. That's weird packaging. I don't like it because the whole top comes off. Interesting. So today I'm getting my ear pierced, and I had been wanting this piercing for a while because my one friend has it and I really like how it looks on her ear. Oh, I'm getting my conch pierced, which is right like here, I'm pretty sure. And then like I'd been going back and forth about it, like, do I want it pierced? Do I not want it pierced? And then I saw Jay from Enhypen had it pierced and I liked that. And then Yunjin from the Seraphim got it pierced recently, and I thought it was really cute. And I'd been just wanting to get something pierced, so I was like, why not my conch? And I'm like, nothing can hurt worse than my dates, so I'm excited. I probably won't film it getting pierced because I don't like needles personally, so I don't think others would like needles. But I will show it after. So there's that. Also, I got my wisdom teeth out recently, so that's why my cheeks may look a bit bigger and I have a slight lisp. So there's that. So I just got back from my piercing appointment. This is what she looks like. It's not the normal spot where a rook is. A conch is. Conch is usually like a lot lower, like mid-ear. But I didn't like where it was at because you can't really see it because of whatever that is. I don't know what it's called. But what I like is if you look at me like head on, you can like kind of see it. The only downside is when I wear my glasses, it may hit it. So I might not wear glasses until it's like not painful. So there's that. But what's fun about it is because of the size of my ear, he said, I'm a Scorpio, and there is a scorpion like shaped jewelry piece there, so I can always get that, and it's rose gold, and I love anything pink, so I can always get that to put in my ear, which is really fun. They also had a really cute butterfly one. And what's really fun about like the placement of it is it's unique to like my anatomy. So it's not technically like a conch, but it's not like a, I think he said mid helix, reverse helix, he's something. I don't know what it was, but it's not like a typical conch piercing, which I thought was like really cool. Because this one that I have here isn't like a lobe, and it's not like a cartilage piercing. It's like a midway is what they called it. I don't know, but I am running out of space on my ears, which is bad. Because when I want more, I don't know what I'm going to do. So here's that.